Today, ako kasama ang mga authors, the Majority Leader, Manix Delipe, Deputy Speaker JJ, and Deputy Speaker Tolipet, and other House leaders and party leaders who are here this afternoon. Magandang hapon. We filed this House number, resolution both houses number 7, entitled A Resolution of Both Houses of Congress proposing amendments to certain economic provisions of the 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, particularly on Articles 12, 14, and 16, pursuant to Article 17, Section 1, Paragraph 1 of the Constitution, which provides the amended or revisions to the Constitution may be made by Congress with 3/4 votes of all its members. Our President, Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., and our Speaker, House Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez, and Senate President Juan Mixubiri agree that some economic provisions need to be relaxed. President Marcos Jr. said the 1987 Constitution was not written for a globalized world, and that's the way, that is where we are now. We have to adjust so that we can increase the economic activities in the Philippines. We can attract more foreign investors. He further said, allow me to make it clear the administration's position in introducing reforms for the Constitution extend to economic matters alone. For those strategically aimed and boosting our economy, nothing more. Speaker Romualdez, as a reaction, stated, at the risk of being persistent, we have been saying that we do not advocate any political amendment. He further stated that the President made it clear that these provisions hinder the entry of foreign investments and the potential for faster and inclusive economic growth, which in turn could translate into better life of every Filipino. While Senate President Mick Subiri, together with Senators Laurel Ligarda and Sani Angara, filed Senate Resolution of both Houses number 6 proposing amendments to Article 12, Section 11 of the Constitution on ownership of franchise 6040, Article 14, Section 4 on education 6040, and Article 16, Section 11 on amending advertising industry 7030. It will give Congress the discretion to adjust the percentage of ownership of franchises, educational institution, and advertising industries, pwedeng i-relax o pwede ding i-restrict. So on RBH proposals are in toto with the RBH of the Senate. Parehong-pareho po ito, kailangan lang namin na pag-usapan ang mga proposed amendment at sabayan ang Senado para mapabilis ang proseso, lalo na sa target ng Senado, sabi ni Senate President Mix, na before Holy Week. So yan po, maraming salamat po sa ating lahat.